Welcome back to 5-Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce, and this is where you master everyday English in just 5 minutes. It's Wednesday, time for another Shadow English practice, and today's theme is Happy New Year, the kind of English people use at the start of a fresh year. As always, listen carefully, follow my voice, and repeat with the same rhythm and tone. All right, let's begin. I'll say the sentence first. Just follow me and repeat. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let's say it again, warm and friendly. Happy New Year. Good. Now let's move to the next sentence. Something you'll hear everywhere right now. Wishing you a happy and successful new year. Wishing you a happy and successful new year. Let's try it again. Calm and natural. Wishing you a happy and successful new year. Nice. Now listen closely and copy the positive tone. This year feels like a fresh start. This year feels like a fresh start. Let's say it again, smoothly. This year feels like a fresh start. All right, here's a sentence people often use when talking about goals. I'm setting a few goals for this year. I'm setting a few goals for this year. Let's repeat it, relaxed and clear. I'm setting a few goals for this year. Great. Now follow my rhythm for this one, very common in January. I want to keep improving my English. I want to keep improving my English. Let's say it again, same confidence. I want to keep improving my English. Good job. Here's another positive sentence. I'm excited about what this year will bring. I'm excited about what this year will bring. Let's repeat it one more time, naturally. I'm excited about what this year will bring. Last sentence for today. Say this one with confidence and optimism. Let's make this year a great one. Let's make this year a great one. Let's say it again. Same energy. Let's make this year a great one. When you practice shadowing, remember there's no need to rush. Just take your time and let the positivity and confidence of the new year come through in your voice. Before we wrap up, here's a small challenge for you. Pick one sentence from this episode and repeat it 10 times. Start slowly, get comfortable with the rhythm, and then move into a more natural pace. That's it for today's Wednesday Shadow English practice. Small steps really do lead to big results. Great job. Save this episode and come back to it anytime throughout the year. I'll see you next Wednesday for our next session and in the next episode as we continue working toward your natural, confident English.